Welcome to LinuxConfig.org. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create and use ZFS Snapshots for instant data protection and recovery. We'll demonstrate creating a snapshot of a ZFS dataset, making changes to files, and then rolling back to restore the original state in seconds. Let's get started. Before we can create snapshots, we need to verify our ZFS pool configuration and check our existing datasets. First, we'll use zpool version to confirm ZFS is installed and check the version. Then we'll run zpool status to verify our pool named ZFSpool is online and see that it's using disk SDB. Next, we'll use ZFS list to view our datasets, including the LinuxConfig dataset mounted at /ZFSSpool /LinuxConfig. Keep in mind your output will be different depending on your specific ZFS setup, pool names, and disk configuration. Now let's navigate to our dataset and create some test files. We'll change directory to /ZFSpool /LinuxConfig using the cd command. First, we'll run ls to confirm the directory is empty. Then we'll create two sample files, file1.txt with the content original content, and file2.txt with important data using the echo command. We'll use ls-lh to view our newly created files with human-readable file sizes. You can see both files are around 15 to 17 bytes in size and were created on November 5th at 8:22. Finally, we'll use cat asterisk to display the contents of all files in the directory. This shows us original content from file a1.txt and important data from file2.txt. These files will serve as our test data before we create the snapshot. Now we'll create our first ZFS snapshot. We use the command sudo ZFS snapshot followed by the dataset name and snapshot name separated by an @ sign. In this case, we're creating a snapshot of ZFSpool /LinuxConfig at backup 1. The @ sign is crucial as it separates the dataset name from the snapshot name. This command executes instantly, creating a point-in-time copy of our dataset without consuming significant disk space initially. The snapshot named backup 1 now preserves the exact state of our files at this moment. Let's verify our snapshot was created successfully using ZFS list-t snapshot. We can see our snapshot ZFS pool /LinuxConfig at backup 1 is listed, currently using 0 bytes and referencing 25 kilobytes of data. Now let's simulate a data disaster by modifying and deleting our files. We'll overwrite file1.txt with wrong content and completely remove file2.txt using the rm command. Running ls-lh shows only file1.txt remains, now containing our incorrect data. The cat command confirms we've lost our important data and corrupted our original content. Here's where ZFS snapshots shine. Instant recovery with a single command. We use sudo ZFS rollback, followed by our snapshot name, ZFSpool /LinuxConfig at backup 1. Running ls-lh immediately shows both files are back with their original timestamps from 8:22. The cat command confirms everything is restored. Original content and important data are back exactly as they were. In just seconds, we've completely recovered from data loss without any complex restoration procedures. Subscribe for more Linux tutorials, and thanks for watching.